29th of June today, and I'm planning to go for. I thought it might be a long ride, but the weather, as you can see, is a bit slight rain. The forecast saying that the rain should stop in about an hour. See if the if it is true. Today I'm taking my specialized alley bike. Actually, this bike it hasn't been fit properly, so sometimes it gives me backache. That's why I'm taking my tools with me. So hopefully I will try to sort it out. If I start to feel backache significant, I'll come back. I'll cut the ride short and come. Where's me? Actually, my camera just fell. Oh, I hope this glad I'm still working. That's good. Let me just check. It's okay. But I spotted the vehicle coming. Be careful. When it's raining, the road can be very slippery, especially in the sand, so I'm trying to be very careful. Of course, in the winter, we use a wider tire. However, I'm still using my summer tires. The road can be slippery now. That's good. Yes. The big nice climb. getting wet. The weather is really getting bad and I'm really wet. I think I have about 30 minutes. الجو وحش جدا. كنت المفروض انزل. لا مطرة جامدة الحقيقة. مش عارف يعني هما فوركاست قال ان هما المطرة هتخلص بس ما بتخلص. مش لابس اي حاجة المطر، لابس اللبس العادي. يا لهوي وقف بقى. Rain will stop by 3. It's 3:15. The rain is worsening. It's just like cats and dogs coming from this. Obviously the rain hasn't stopped and it was raining cats and dogs, and I was really soaking wet at this stage, and there was no any other way apart from that I have to go home. That's what I did. Typical English weather, and the forecast was absolutely fraud, because they said that the rain should stop in about an hour from the start of my ride. However, it takes over, I would say, about 3 hours. So I came home, I did my back routines, which includes eyes and stretching, and I went for a swim in the gym, and it was still raining. When I finished the swim in the gym, the rain stopped. I finally arrived home and it was really wet, very wet. However, I enjoyed my ride as usual. It's always fun to ride your bike. Thank you for watching.